Today we learned how to make a pea salad that beats all other pea salads, and it's a cinch to put it together. Howard shows us his easy peasy pea salad in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
You know, there are three things I look forward to every spring: tulips popping up, replacing my sweatshirts with golf shirts, and getting my hands on the first crop of spring peas. Let me tell you, there's nothing like spring peas fresh off the vine. And whether you eat them as is or toss them in a salad like we're making today, you can't miss. Since the season to get fresh ones is relatively short, don't let that worry you. Fresh ones that are frozen are a great alternative and available throughout the year. To make my favorite spring salad, all we do is combine some mayo with a little milk, a bit of sugar, and some salt and pepper. After that's mixed well, we toss in a good amount of freshly blanched spring peas or frozen peas that we've thawed and drained, along with some cooked and crumbled bacon, a cup or so of diced cheddar cheese, and some chopped red onion. You know, it really doesn't get any easier than this. This salad is as fitting with grilled fish as it is with fried chicken or a big burger. What makes it so addictive is the combination of flavors. The peas give it its freshness, the bacon its smokiness, and the cheese its creaminess. To get the recipe for our easy peasy pea salad, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh tasting anytime way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Easy peasy. You can find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. Just go to our website at KOAMnewsnow.com.